Hi friends, good morning. Nice meeting you on Facebook and on YouTube. Thank you so much friends for supporting me. Friends, these videos, many videos I've removed all I had to cut every now and then because the video was not taking the load. The mobile was not taking the load, so I had to keep on cutting it. So what I was trying to tell you, I hope Devijit Chavan has watched all my videos and realized what he did is wrong, and I hope he said sorry to you all that he's not helping us. And he has to remove the video if he is not removed. Because it was his responsibility next day to come to the house and ask us what was the problem, why we did not tell him about the rented rooms. He did not come. Since he heard the wrong comments, he should have come and asked us. I rang him also especially. And Kosela will think now, all these years that she stayed with us and she never told us the story of her life, a sad story she never told. That time I did not know anything about what happened to me and how I came to Anat Parira's house and what happened. I did not know anything. My stepmother and her sister and her family, I know where they stay. From small, my stepmother used to hold my hand and take me. When there any function, birthday, parties, very often I used to go to her house. And many of my photos were with them. And so I remember their place. So I needed help after I left Gosela's house. I needed a place to stay. So I said, now who I know is the most now. They are the only ones whom I know. So I went to their house. They kept me for five. They kept me for 5 6 days. Then I told them that I'm come from Enad. Then they say, we know you're Enad Parira. Lord, she troubled you, she used to beat you, not give you food for so many days. We knew about her. And we went to the convent and complained also about you to the sisters that to hidingly do something and take you away. We also tried to take you away and give you back to the convent. The sisters were ready already. And that is the time sisters told us the full story of your mother, how your father fell in love with her and everything, full story that they told us. That's why we knew about your story. So friends, this was the full story. Just watch the video clearly. Somewhere it is cut. And then I told you after I left and at Parira's house, I was going from that hill. Somebody was attacking me. Then one nice person, the angel, God only sent a person to save me at that time. And I was trying to go to the priest to tell that is so and so problem for him to help me. Nobody I had, it was a Sunday, nobody was there to help me at that time. And I was crossing the road. I went to one Catholic house first. They didn't want to keep me because they were very frightened of Janet Pereira. She was a very strict lady and stupid lady, so they were very scared to keep me. They said it is nothing for us to keep you, but she will create problems. We'll pray for you. Further, you will get a nice house. Go further. And then walking, I was crossing that Praveen Gosala's gate, and all of a sudden his wife sees me from top, and she tells me, "Come, come." And I didn't want to go to. I was very frightened to go to this kind of big houses because I did not know whether they are going to put a complaint and send me back to Janet Pereira's house or what. So that was one part which got cut. And that time the children were very small. And Praveen Gosala was very handsome that time, very young. His wife also. I thought they were Catholics. I didn't know they were Hindus. I thought they were Catholics, and I thought everything good in life will happen for me since they promised everything. Then after staying with them, I came to know they are Gujaratis. I did not know. I would have told them. And many times I told them also, if you all don't want to take care of me and if you all don't want me, please give me in the sister convent or something, keep me over there. But they also were in need of me. And how I came to know they were in need of me, there was one girl, Maria. She told me so much they were looking for a maid. More than a month they were not getting a maid to stay. And luckily God sent you to them. And one more thing I was going to tell you, how Gosela became attached to Anat Pereira and said she's a classmate. That is also because his younger sister, Koki, I should call her Koki Ben. Youngest cute sister she was. She was studying in the SSC. For SSC, she was studying the presentation, and she was Annette Pereira was her teacher. And because of Koki, his sister, younger sister, Gosele's younger sister, I always forgot on all the videos to talk about her. She's a beautiful girl. She died of some sickness. Nice girl. She was there today. She would tell Praveen Gosele clear her money, and he would listen to her. Everything he would listen to her, because when they got married, she was like their daughter, their youngest in that house, and everything like was going on nice with them. She was not married. They got her married afterwards to Jasmine Shah. He was a very nice person, beautiful person. Nice couple they were. So then afterwards, Annette Parila got attached to Gosalia because of Koki Ben, because of Koki, his sister. Because she was her student, no. So she as a teacher she had to come to the house, and then some like the work was there, no. Then so that's why Gosalia was in touch with Annette Parila. And the second thing is in my baptism, I told you that I had to do that baptism. It is that Chris gives that catechism I had to do, like how small children do catechism to take their priest, not to take their holy communion. That I had to receive, that I had to study there in the church. Instead, this Gosalia, Yogita Gosalia was not sending me. The father was all upset. Very beautiful boy he was. But I would have made my life. I wouldn't have destroyed my life today like this. I wouldn't have to come on a channel and beg for the grey Aadhaar. Because I never needed money if I got married to him. Everything father would have done for me. This was for sure. So later they spoiled my marriage. They used to say they used to get a proposal, everything, and then they say that I'm not there or something. They say cancel it because they wanted me for their work. And many maids who stayed there always used to tell me they want you for their work. They don't want you to get you married, just to make you satisfied to say that they'll recruit boys for you. They have told you getting married. And Gosalia, you know why I'm getting hurt? Because Lord I helped him at that time when he was in getting raided by the income tax. How much he cried to my feet. He told me, Sumi, please don't tell I'm not paying you. Say that I'm paying you. Please, I beg to you. I'll give you whatever you want. And all that gold that I bring on my neck and giving. I said, I don't want that gold on my neck. I will tell them. I said, but I don't want this nonsense. So later, Lord said, that's why today I'm feeling bad. That's why Gosala listened to the family and just disappointed of clearing my money. You know, many times I get dreams of them. You know, my sleep gets disturbed. Every time I get dream. I try to forget them, but can't forget them. It's very not so easy to forget them. 18 years is not a joke. I stayed in their house. No maid stayed 18 years, and many of their maids also money also they have not given properly. But still, those maids used to say, "Let it be. We are not so many years with them." Even drivers also. That Sandy also. Every time used to complain. They take me Bombay here. My money they properly they don't give. You know, so many drivers have complained, but they were not like a family, so they used to just forget and just to go. Let's just say let it be. I'll talk on the coming video.